If you're headed on a Disney vacation, chances are you're thinking about what to ride, where to stay, and what to eat. There are dozens of options for dining across Disney resorts, but perhaps one of the most unique and fun is dining alongside some of your favorite Disney characters. Character dining venues are held across Disney parks and Disney Hotel restaurants. In Walt Disney World, you can head to Chef Mickey's for an all-you-can-eat breakfast or dinner, buffet with Mickey and Goofy for $42 per adult, or for a royal event, head to Cinderella's royal table at the Magic Kingdom, where for $62 per adult, you can enjoy duck two ways or beef tenderloin. Disneyland has boasted several character dining locations. Join Mickey and friends for $35 at the Plaza Inn for breakfast, or head to the Disneyland Hotel to visit Chef Goofy for a similarly priced breakfast full of giggles, fun, and good food. While the future of Disneyland's PCH Grill and Donald's Seaside Breakfast are up in the air, we're excited to share what it's like to experience a Disney character breakfast with a service dog. Character breakfasts are a favorite amongst families as it is a great way to meet and greet several characters without having to wait for photos during your park visit. We also think this is great for adults. Character breakfasts have long been providing children and adults with more personal experiences with a plethora of different park characters. Disney is incredibly accommodating to guests with disabilities and with service dogs. Not only do you feel special getting a visit from Minnie, Donald, or their friends, your service dog will have a blast hanging out with these amazing characters. The cast members will ensure you feel comfortable during the meet and greet, and if you're okay with it, they'll take the time to greet your service dog. We were very fortunate when we visited Donald and the gang at the PCH Grill, as the restaurant was closing down for the day, and we were able to spend more time with the characters than usual. Guests with cognitive disabilities may also like this option, as you don't have to wait in long lines to greet and visit characters. The food during a buffet character breakfast is typically lackluster. While the price can be hefty, you are paying for the experience. It's sort of like an afternoon at the Rainforest Cafe. They will have plenty of options from eggs and bacon to Mickey waffles and pancakes. Make sure to eat when you can because you'll be having so much fun with the characters while you're there. While individual characters cannot be guaranteed, we suggest taking a look at which characters host or frequent each location before you make a reservation. Make sure to visit the Disney World or Disneyland websites well before your trip, as reservations may need to be made up to 60 days in advance. However, keep an eye on the website, as a few reservations may pop up last minute. We absolutely recommend going to a character dining experience if you have kids and they want special time with Mickey, or if you're looking to get some autographs from the characters or photos without the wait. This is the perfect option. There's plenty of food, and there are photographers who can help capture all the moments you need from this special day. And above all, you'll be left with memories of a lifetime.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.